What assets can be seized in a drug possession case? Imagine walking into a room and finding law enforcement taking not just evidence but also your personal belongings. If you are involved in a drug possession case, this could happen. When authorities suspect illegal drug activity, they can seize a variety of assets they believe are connected to it. This process is called asset forfeiture. Cash is often the first thing people think of. If officers find money during a search and suspect it was used to buy or sell drugs, they can seize it. Even if you claim the cash came from a legitimate source, the government can still take it if they believe it's linked to drug crimes. Vehicles are another common asset that can be taken. If your car, truck, or motorcycle was used to transport drugs or facilitate drug deals, law enforcement can confiscate it. This includes vehicles parked at locations used for drug manufacturing or sales. The size of the vehicle does not matter. Even small bikes can be seized if connected to illegal activity. Real estate can also be targeted. Houses, apartments, or land may be seized if prosecutors argue they were used to produce, store, or sell drugs. However, there are legal rules to follow. The government must show a clear link between the property and drug activity. For example, if a home was used as a meth lab or for drug storage, it could be taken. Personal property like jewelry, electronics, or valuable collectibles can also be seized. If these items were bought with money from drug sales or used to facilitate illegal activity, authorities can take them. This can include expensive watches, gaming systems, or even artwork. Drug paraphernalia and equipment used for manufacturing or distribution are also at risk. Items like pipes, scales, chemicals, or packaging materials can be seized if they are believed to be involved in drug operations. Even research chemicals used to produce drugs are subject to confiscation. In many cases, law enforcement uses civil asset forfeiture. This means they can take property without a criminal conviction. The standard of proof is lower. They only need to show it's more likely than not that the assets are connected to drug activity. From a defense point of view, it's important to challenge these seizures. The government must prove the assets are linked to illegal drug activity. Defenses include showing the assets were obtained legally, challenging the legality of the search, or arguing the owner was unaware of any illegal use. To protect your rights, know that law enforcement needs a warrant or probable cause before searching or seizing property. Never consent to a search without legal advice. Keep detailed records of any searches or seizures. If assets are taken, seek legal help immediately to challenge the process. A good defense focuses on proving the assets are not connected to drug crimes. This involves scrutinizing the evidence and making sure procedural rules are followed. Remember, asset forfeiture can cause serious financial loss even if you are not convicted of a crime. Being informed and prepared is your best defense.